Roll-up garage doors are a popular choice for both residential and commercial use. But how much do they actually cost? And what factors should you consider when choosing one? First, let's talk about materials. Steel and aluminum are the most common, with steel providing more durability but at a higher cost. Insulation is another factor. Insulated doors can save energy costs in the long run, but will add to the initial expense. Installation fees vary depending on the door size and customization needs. Investing in maintenance is also key for maximizing your garage door's lifespan. Security features and custom designs can further affect the overall price. So, when budgeting for a roll-up garage door, consider material, insulation, installation, and maintenance.